Welcome to VGuide TV. In this video, I am discussing the integrals of the form integral of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. So this is a new form. So if you see the question like this, that is integral of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx means, first the thing is, what is the term in the numerator? Px plus q. That you have to write it in the form of a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. That is the term in the denominator plus b, and then integrate. So if your question is like this, we have to make it like this. Okay. A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. We will see with the question. Then you will get more clarity. Integral of x plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. So I am writing px plus q means here it is x plus 1. X plus 1 equals, which form we should write? A into d by dx of, what is the term here? X square plus 3x plus 12 plus b. Clear? Now the next is x plus 1 equals a into, you have to differentiate this, that is 2x plus 3 plus b. Next is compare the coefficient of x in both left side and right side. So x here it is 1, here it is 2a. So we can write 2a equal to 1. Therefore a equals 1 by 2. You got the value of a. If you are getting the value of a, now take the value for b. So b means here the constant is 1. Here the constant is 3a. Right? 3a plus b. So we can write b is equal to 1 minus 3a. How we are getting like this? Because 1 equals 3a plus b. Therefore what is b? b equals 1 minus 3a. That is 1 minus 3 into, what is a value? 1 by 2. That is 1 minus 3 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2. So it means I got the value of a and b. Very simple. You have to make it like this form. A into d by dx of denominator plus b. That should be equal to the numerator. So numerator x plus 1 equals a into d by dx of denominator plus b. Differentiating x plus 1 is equal to a into 2x plus 3 plus b. Next is compare the coefficient of x from both left side and right side. So here the coefficient is 1 equals 2a. So 2a equal to 1, a equals 1 by 2. Next you compare the coefficients. It means constants you equate. So 1 equals 3a plus b. Therefore b equal 1 minus 3a. I got it as minus 1 by 2. So I can write this question as integral of x plus 1 dx divided by x square plus 3x plus 12 equals integral of a into, what is the term here? I am just writing this term. Instead of this numerator, I can write this term. Which term? This term. That is a into 2x plus 3 plus b by x square plus 3x plus 12 of dx. Right? Like this I changed. My question changed it like this. So see your question, I changed to x plus integral of x plus 1 divided by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. I just changed it as integral of a into 2x plus 3 plus b by x square plus 3x plus 12. I can split the numerator, right? So that form I have written a into integral of 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 12 of dx plus b into the second term I can write it as b into dx by x square plus 3x plus 12. Now if you see this one, a value I know. What is a value? A value we got it as the value of a as 1 by 2. So I substituted. B value is minus 1 by 2. I substituted. After getting this step, check here. If you see this one, you can make it in the form of first term. If you see the derivative of the denominator, only the numerator. 2x square differential is 2x. 3x differential is 3. So this is, we can write it in the form of log x. So the first term, there is simple half log of, what is the denominator? X square plus 3x plus 12. No problem. But the second term, if you see, again, second term denominator, you check it. X square plus 3x plus 12. So what I am doing? I am doing my same, what all procedures we did before, same thing. X square plus 3x plus 12, you can make it in the form of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. As here the term is plus, I am just trying in another form. X square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 and minus 9 by 4 we are doing. If you are adding plus 9 by 4, it is in the form of x plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 39 by 4. X plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus, we can write this as root over 39 by 2 the whole square. 39 by 2 the whole square. Okay. 39 divided by 2 the whole square. So what I am doing is this denominator I am splitting like this. Integral of dx by x plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus root 39 by 2 the whole square plus c. Why I made it in this form? Because this is again in the form of a basic standard integral. What is a basic integral? Integral of 1 by or integral dx by x square plus a square. It is in the form of 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So it is 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by a. What is the a value? Root 3, root 39 by 2. So 1 by root 39 by 2 means 2 by root 39 tan inverse x value. What is x value? X plus 3 by 2 by a root 39 by 2 plus c. Just arrange the terms, that's all. We did not do anything more. We are just cancelling the terms. 2 get cancelled. Here also we can take the LCM as 2. Here denominator 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So it will be 2x plus 3 by root 39 plus c. Very simple. So you see, as integration, as we reach this part, the complication is getting increased. It means we are making 2-3 standard integrals in the same question itself. So here you see how many standard integrals we are doing. So remember what we are doing is, in this question, by seeing the question itself, you should get an idea of what we have to do. If the question is in the form of integral px plus q by x square plus bx plus c means, you should remember numerator we are writing is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus c. You write it in that form. Split the term. Find the value of a and b. A and b we found. After that you substitute. After substituting, I have seen in the first term its derivative only in the numerator. So I can write in the form of log. Second, this one, okay, like this one question we did in the previous videos, okay. So this we need to make it in the standard form like this, okay. So I made it in the standard form. Again it came in the standard result, that is integral of 1 by x square plus a square dx. That is, answer is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Tan inverse x term this one, x plus 3 by 2 by root 39 by 2 plus c. Clear? Okay. Thank you. Now, one more question. We will do it in the same form. Integral of 3x minus 2 into root over 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. Here also, I am going to do in the same form. Now, you see how I did. I am taking these as two terms. The term, what is this term I am taking? So 3x minus 2 I am writing as a into d by dx of what is this term? 2x square minus x plus 1. So you see, it is not compulsory like in the form, it should come in the previous, same like the previous question. So this question you see it is coming like this. So how I did, you see the term, that is the reason the first term I told you. Px plus q in the form of, so here px plus q is this 3x minus 2 in the form of a into d by dx of, what is the term? Term is ax square plus bx plus c. Which term? Ax square plus bx plus c, this. So d by dx of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus b. Clear? That is the reason I have written this at the first. So write px plus q in the form of a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So here root is there. We are not taking that. We are taking only that form, ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So a into, what is the differential of 2x square? 4x minus 1 plus b. Now what we did? We have to equate the coefficient. First, what is the coefficient of x here? X is 3 equals 4a. Therefore, a equals 3 by 4. 3 equals 4a, that is a equals 3 by 4. We got it. Now, equate the coefficients of constants. How we are doing? Constant here it is minus 2 equals minus a plus b. Minus 2 equals minus a. What is a value? 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 plus b. Therefore, b equals minus 2 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to minus 8 plus 3 by 4. Minus 8 plus 3 by 4. So what we are doing is, see, I am just writing this form, that is integral of 3x minus 2 root over 2x square minus x plus 1 dx is equal to a 3 by 4 into, what is the term? 4x minus 1 into root over 2x square minus x plus 1 dx minus 5 by 4 integral root over 2x square minus x plus 1 dx plus c. Okay, because we are writing 3x minus 2 as this term. But in your question, 3x minus 2 into root over 2x square minus x plus 1 is there. That is the reason these two terms came, right? So, 3 by 4 integral of this one I have written, 4x minus 1 we have written. But the next term came because that is there in the question. Root over 2x square minus x plus 1 plus b into this question also we have written. Now, this is in the form of 3 by 4 constant. This is in the form of, we are writing in the form of root x. Right? This is in the form of root x we are writing. Integral of root x. What is integral of root x? Integral of root x we can write it as x power 1 by 2 dx. What is integral of x power 1 by 2 dx? X to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. So, x to the power of 3 by 2, x is this term. 2x square minus x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. That 2 only goes up. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 2x square minus x plus 1 into raised to 3 by 2 minus this term. This term, see, if the term is like this, what we need to do? We need to split the term. So, I am splitting the term 2x square minus x plus 1. I am splitting. First, I am taking the 2. I am dividing with the 2. So, it is x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2. If you see this term, your mind should work in the idea that we have to write it in the form of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. So, I am adding and subtracting 1 by 16. So, if you are adding and subtracting 1 by 16, we understood the first, you can write this as x minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus these two terms if you are if you are solving, we will get 16 upon 7. So, now you see what we did, 2x square minus x plus 1 we are splitting. We are splitting in the sense, first I divided the entire term with the entire terms by 2. Then I need to make it in the form of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. As the term here it is minus. We are adding and subtracting 1 by 16. If we are adding and subtracting 1 by 16, we can write here as x minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus 7 by 16. So what I did, this term, that is 5 by 4 I have written separately. And this we can write it in the form of root over 2x square minus x plus 1. We can write it in this form, root over x minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus 7 by 16 dx plus c. Right? Now, okay. So what we are doing is 5 by 4 into integral of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. That we are writing it as minus 5 by root 2 by 4. From where we got the root 2? We got the root 2 by here. See. Okay, here we did not write. Here we need to write that also. See. We are taking the 2 outside, right? We are taking 2 outside, right? Okay, 2 outside we are writing. Here also we are taking 2 outside, right? So this all under the root only. So that root 2 only is coming here, okay? So here this 2, I told you we are dividing with the 2. But when we are dividing by 2, here there is a 2, right? That 2 only we are writing here. We did not write it here. Now I have written 2 and that 2 only will come here. So what happened for this term? 5 root 2 by 4 integral root over this term. X minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus 7 by 16 dx plus c. Clear? So now we see how we did the term. We have written the question. In this question 3x minus 2 you can write it like this form. Okay. That we have written. That is we can write in this form also. A into 4x minus 1 plus b also we can write. But into this term also there. That's what in both the terms it came. Then after that this one what I did is 2 by 3. See this is in the form of 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This how it came I showed you. This is of root x. Okay. Root x. So root x is x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So that is this 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 only going as 2 by 3. 3 cancel, 2 and 4 get cancel I told you. Right? Then after that this term you can write raised to 3 by 2 because if you differentiate we will get 4x minus 1. That term is here. That is nothing but the dx. Okay. If you substitute this as t you can write it like that also. This as t, this will come as dt. That's all. Then this term 5 by 4 how it came it as 5 by 4 root 2 because I told you we are taking 2 common here. Okay, I told you divided by 2 but now I am writing. Okay, I have written now. So 2, that 2 only we are writing it as root 2 because this term, full term is under the root. Till here it's okay. Now in the next step what we are doing is, check it here. We did it up to here. Now what we are doing it here. This term 3 cancel, we got 1 by 2. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 2 raised to 3 by 2. Till here there is no problem. This is in the form of your basic standard integral we already discussed in one video. Which form? It is in the form of root over x square minus a square dx. Yes, see, it is in which form? See, it is in the form of integral of root over x square plus a square. Now you check it here. Integral of root over a square plus x square dx. What is the integral? X by 2 root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sine h inverse x by a plus c. That is this the last answer. So now what I am doing you see here. What we are doing? This is in the form of which one we need to tell all. So now if you check it. Okay. Now you see this term integral of root over x minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus 7 by 16 dx. This is in the form of integral of root over a square plus x square dx or root over x square plus a square dx. What is expansion? X by 2 root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sine h inverse x by a plus c. Now you check it. The first term there is no problem. 2, 3 cancel, 2 get cancel and we get this one. There is no problem for that. Now 5 root 2 by 4 also there is no problem. From inside you check it. This term how we can write it? X by 2, that is x minus 1 by 4 by 2, root over the same term you write, root over x minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 7 by 16 plus next term what it is coming, you see, a square by 2. Okay, what is a square by 2? A square by 2 is 7 by 32 I wrote, because this is in the form of a square only. A square is 7, this full term is nothing but a square, right? So a square by 2 is 7 by 16 by 2, that is 7 by 32, sin h inverse x. What is your x? X minus 1 by 4 by a. What is a? A is root 7 by 4, because root 16 is 4, so root 7 by 4. Okay. So carefully you check it. What we did is this term is in the form of root over a square plus x square dx. That is x by 2 root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c. Clear? Now we are arranging and writing, that's all, nothing more. So what I did is, here you see 1 by 2 I have written the same term. Okay. So here 1 2 is there. We have taken here, we are multiplying, so that is the reason we are getting here x minus 1 by 4. I am just opening the bracket, I am writing. Okay, so this 2 and this root 2 get cancelled and the denominator 1 root 2 is coming. So x minus 1 by 4 root over the same term. This minus multiplying inside, so same terms, 5 into 7, 35. Root 2 is there, right? So 4 into this one. So I am just cancelling it with that. So if you are writing this 4 as 2 into 2, 1 2 I am multiplying 64 and 1 2 is there. That 2 is cancelling with the root 2. That's what we are getting the term minus 35 by 64 root 2 sin h inverse. Here also you can arrange the term, that is 4x minus 1 by root 7 plus c. Okay. Little complicated question. It's not complicated. You have to remember the step. What we did, you see, what I am writing is px plus q. We are writing in the form of a d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. We have written. So I differentiated. I got the term. Instead of 3x minus 2 in the question, we are substituting this term. So 3x minus 2 into root over this. So 3 by 4 into 4x minus 1 into root over 2x square minus x plus 1 dx minus 5 by 4 into root over 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. After that, what we are doing is this one, if you are substituting this as t, this full term as dt, and we are substituting back and we get this. Or remember, this is nothing but the differential. This is x means this is nothing but the dx it is coming. So we are writing in the form of x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 for the first term. No problem for that. Now the next term is, it is in the form of your basic standard integral. Basic standard integral root over this form we should get it. This form we should get means I need to arrange this term first. First I have taken the 2 common, then we are making in the form of a plus b the whole square and all. So this full term I am changing it like this. After seeing this, it is in this form of expansion, standard integral, that we are expanding. With this formula, which formula? Root over a square plus x square dx as x by 2 root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c, and we get the final answer. This one is little lengthy final answer. Thank you for watching V-Guide TV, and we will come with a more integration type of question. Watch all the videos of the integration, then only you will understand. You listen and watch all the videos of integration, all the continuation videos only. Press our bell button so you will get the notification about our new videos. Thank you.